You can see this is the problem. How to fix it? Okay, let's get start. First, open your phone settings and scroll down. Tap on apps. Scroll down. Scroll down. Tap on Messenger. Force stops. Okay. Scroll down. Tap on storage. Clear cache. Clear data. Delete. Okay, go back. And now tap on permission option and allow all permission. First of all, calendar, allow back. Second, camera, allow back. And contracts, allow. Location, allow. Microphone, allow. And music and audio, allow. Nearby devices, allow. And notifications turn on. Okay, back. Phone, allow. Okay, back. Photos and videos, allow all permission. Okay, go back and allow all permission complete. And now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. Now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back and go to Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search for Messenger. Tap on Messenger update. Check your Messenger update. My Messenger already updated. Or another option. And now uninstall your Messenger app and again install your Messenger app. Okay, and now open your Facebook Messenger and select any message. Tap on gallery option. See, I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.